Oh, hello. Hello, hello, hello. So, I'm back, and I have here, indeed, another Commodore 64 power supply. It says OK. It does. But what does that mean? Well, I don't know. But we'll see if OK means OK in a moment. Because we have here the power supply checker that checks the 5-volt side of a Commodore 64 power supply. And indeed, these wires are all done up tight. Just a moment. Why? Everything is tangled. Why is it so? There we go. There. 5.20 volts. That is well within acceptable parameters. So, I will pull this out. And before I forget, on the bottom, I will write near the top 5.20. Now, does that mean that the 9 volts is good? It does not. The 9 volts is not, from what I found, the killer. So check the power switch. It is off. I don't know why I turned the monitor off just a moment ago. Turn the monitor off. Okay. Turn the monitor on. And give it a chance to warm up, because we want to know right quick if we see anything weird here. Okay, this looks good so far. Shazam. It's okay. Good. That is good. Power supplies are good. But is that all that we have to do today? Well, of course not. Oh, I'll put that over there. I'll leave it to warm up a bit. I can check it again later. So, in the same box was the Commodore 64. It has a broken B key on the front, if you see right there. And these things happen. There is a missing key. Damn. But this is workable. It does look like it's really like the stem is gone, the spring is gone, everything is gone. The board does feel like it's shaking around inside. And we have one lonely screw. And because this board is shaking around, I think I will open up this machine. Before I do anything else. This is a non-standard screw. Evil. But, things happen. But it really feels like the board is not really fastened. Oh my. Okay. So, okay, this makes sense now. On the bottom of this keyboard, there is nothing. Oh dear. Sorry about that. Ouch. Okay. The board at the bottom of the keyboard is not here. That's why it's funny. In the box where I found this, there was the bottom of the keyboard thing. I said, who would have that? Why would that be there? Well, it's there because it's been taken off. I do not see any sign of the screws. Now, the other thing I see here is the shielding. That's probably what I heard inside, maybe. It's got a plastic sheet and this sort of bronzy, coppery looking thing. And inside, we have a Commodore 64 board. And is it secured? I would say it is not. It is not indeed. So there it is. Another 64. Another 80. So, I suppose I'll leave it in there. Let me have a look. Now, what is socketed? Damn little. The fuse is there. The VIC chip is socketed. The 8701 is socketed. The SID chip is socketed. But nothing else, really. Well, it is time to see if any of these are working. My gut tells me they're not. Especially when this has had already some sort of major somewhat surgery on it. Oh, you know what? Okay, the serial port connector is missing. I did not notice that. Hang on. I'm sure this isn't going to work, but now that I already have it sort of in place, I'll turn it on. Okay, I see a flash. Oh, well, that's different. It's kind of doing ready things up there. Interesting. Let's see if it does the out of memory error. Okay, hold on here. So we go to the dead test. Number one. And we'll turn this on. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 flashes on the dead test. Alright. Press the reset button. Flip the switch to the other dead test. 1. Okay, I think it's... Yeah, 5 flashes. Okay. Probably RAM. So, the serial port connector has been removed. This is a 250425 board, which is identical to the test machine we have up here. So I'm going to pull out the Retro Rewind cartridge, and I'm not going to do the 8701. I'm just not, because they are a rare failure, and very likely what we have here is RAM, which seems to be the common thread here. But I will yank the SID chip. Come on, SID chip. Let's see. Okay, I'll put that down there, and we'll take this and come on, you pull up the power. Shut this down here, and we'll take our 64 that we test things with, and I have now. It may be still that the video chip. There could be trouble. I doubt it though. Anyway, all is good to test what's in sockets. So we'll turn. Oh, I did not see a flash. Alright, hang on here. We could indeed have a bad VIC chip. I did not see a flash upon the screen. Let us take this out and double check all the pins. And it looks okay, so I'm going to set that there. I'm going to put this one. Did I plug that in? Hang on. Why do I see that the power connector is out? Don't tell me. Okay, the power switch is off. It's funny, I saw no flash, which typically means I still see no flash. That's strange. Okay. That's very strange. The power is on. Alright, let's make sure I actually have a power supply that's plugged in here. I do. You know what, just for fun, in case something has happened to this power supply, I will take and plug in the one that we were just testing, and we see nothing. Okay, have we blown a fuse? I don't know. You know what I'm going to do is pop out this big chip and set it over here. And then I'm going to put this big chip back inside of this machine. And all right, it's the flash. You see the machine come up. Let me just check this again. Okay, big chip, big chip. We see a flash. Oh, yeah. Okay, turn this off. We'll yank the SID, and we'll put it over yonder. And we will check the witness mark on this SID, and check the pins, and line it up, and pop it in. And the machine comes up. Okay, I'm going to take my other vintage cartridge and put it in here. Let's see. What is this? Fluff. And this should test the SID chip marker. Okay. Alright. 64. World of Commodore. Hotel. Cart. 250425. Board. I think that's what it is. Yes. Okay. Flashes. 5 times. I think it was 5 times. Was it 5 times? Yeah, I think it was. On. Retro. Rewind. Dead. Test. RAM. Likely. Strange. Out of memory on power. Pick plus SID. Okay. Keyboard taken 2 bits. Missing contact. PCB. No screws. There's a lot of little screws that hold the keyboard together. Yeah. Needs operation. Summer 2023. Okay. So, turn that off. Pop out the big chip. Pop out the SID chip. Whoa. Oh, no, no, no. Oh, yeah. Nothing else. I gotta rate that. Nothing. Oh, and also, there, put those back in before I forget. Missing serial port connector. Obviously scavenged for parts. Alright, so pop in the SID. I'll pop in the VIC. Then I'll unplug. Put this back up here. And we'll gather this thing. I don't think I want to put this in case, well, I guess I could put it on the bottom. No, it's got its things. I don't want to put that in there. I will put that outside. I shall. So there's the keyboard thing. Lots of plungers, lots of keys. They look pretty good. Some of the prongs, or the one prong on the case is toasted. I will put this wayward non-Commodore screw back in just to hold it together. No, and I suppose something else that I should do is, oh, okay, test 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 6, 5, 6, 5, 2, 7, 4, 2, 7, 4. All right, well, I will take and tape this in place. And I will put all of these things by putting them all in a box that will eventually go downstairs. I will. So this power supply, the one I was just testing, now it's been in for a bit and it's been tested a bit. What is it reading now? 5.20. Good stuff. Okay, so this funky thing, hello, ooh, kind of together. I'll put it in the box, and then I'll go back downstairs and see what else I can find. So, I don't like this. Thanks for being here. We'll see you again soon in the box room.